your fingers, and it's really so comfortable to hold, to use. I have 4 blushes here and they are in different shades. Now I want to use this beautiful pinky rose blush. The fragrance is really nice. It's like everything from this collection really reminds me of Delina from Perfumes de Marly, because it's this floral strawberry with whipped cream vibe. It's super beautiful and it really reminds me of Delina. So if you like Delina, I think you will be obsessed with this collection. This is so beautiful in lightweight blush. The shade is like, it's like strawberry ice cream, strawberry milkshake or something like this. It's super creamy. We're gonna use it as a blush and as under eye brightener, because today I want this beautiful girly pink under eye. I will blend it with this beautiful puff. This will be my favorite pink blush, I'm pretty sure, because the texture, the smell, obsessed with fragrances, and I really love when makeup smells gorgeous, and this makeup really does. Now I want to add this shade here. Let's add a little bit more vibrant pink shade right here. And let's use this blush in red packaging right on my nose. Now let's move to the eyes, and I'm gonna be using this beautiful palette. I'm taking this shade for my crease. I love pigments, but if you're a beginner, you should be pretty careful with this eyeshadow because it really is pigmented. Now I'm gonna take this shade for my outer corner, like a little smoked eyeliner, and I'm adding this darkest shade on the bottom lid on my outer corner, a little bit to the inner corner, adding this, the lightest shade, my inner corner, with a fluffy brush. Usually, lightest colors are the problem in the palettes, but here, even the lightest color it's pigmented. You really don't need concealer here because the blush and this lightest eyeshadow combo together, they work wonders. There is also shimmer in this palette, this one, on my inner corner as well. Let's try with a finger. Oh yeah. Want to add the same shade on the tip of my nose. Oh my god, I really need this particular shade in a highlighter packaging. I need a lot of this shade. I need it. So let's move to the lips, and we have 3 lip creams today. Flower nose packaging.